Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with moving out of state, being charged with a crime. Let's see here. I have plans to move to Texas, but I'm falsely accused of assaulting my wife here in California. What can happen to my case? Well, is the case pending? Are you going to court right now? Or did you just recently get arrested, or what is the deal? Because it makes a huge difference. Generally speaking, let's say you were on probation because you were found guilty of the offense. Well, in that situation, you need to contact your probation officer to let them know that you're moving to the state of Texas. If you're not on probation, well, then it's a little bit different. Generally speaking, you don't have to contact the court. However, there could be a problem. Let's say your case has not been filed on, and then it does get filed on, where you're going to have to physically come to court to deal with the case, because the domestic violence case, generally speaking, especially if it's a felony, the courts here in California are not going to allow you to do it without your physical presence. It's very rare. Now, there is a possibility that your case hasn't gotten filed on, and then you decided to move to Texas, and then at a certain point later on it gets filed on. Well, if you blow it off, if you say, nah, I'm just going to ignore it, well, there's going to be a warrant out for your arrest here in California. And if you get stopped for any kind of traffic infraction in Texas, guess what? They're going to serve the warrant right there. They're going to pick you up right there in Texas. They're going to arrest you, and they're going to hold you in custody probably for up to a couple of weeks until agents of California come to pick you up and take you back to the county where you got in trouble in. So, yeah, generally speaking, when you've been accused of a crime, not a good idea to be a transplant. It's generally speaking, unless you absolutely have to, I don't recommend moving from the state because it could cause you just huge problems down the line. Stay where you're at until you resolve your matter. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was having sex with minors. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.